I cannot believe that I am sitting here in front of a camera. That's right, your eyes aren't deceiving you. I am officially back. I have had so many things going on, which I will be telling you about in the next couple of videos, but today we're gonna do an unboxing. So if you wanna know what the unboxing is, stick around. So this is kind of one of the first times that I've ever really filmed videos in my bedroom. I have had like maybe some clothing haul videos done in my bedroom if I had some things going on downstairs where I couldn't do it down there. But this is probably going to be a main place where I do film my videos now. I have moved and we're in a little bitty space compared to what we were in. So lots of big changes have been going on in my life. I did look and see when the last time I filmed a video was, and it was August. I can't believe it has been that long, but so many things, from illnesses to accidents to just a whole bunch of crazy has been going on since then. But I did miss everybody. All right, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my January Boxycharm. This box took forever to get to me. I don't know why it took so long, but I even had sent an email to Boxycharm and I'm like, hey, my box says that it has been sitting in Nashville for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. And they were like, well, we don't show any tracking on it. We'll see, you know, and I'm like, well, you better look closer because I can see where it's at, so I don't know why you can't. But they, and then one day it just showed up at my door. All right, so this month's is called Fresh Start. And you know what? did not plan this. Cross my heart, I had no idea that that was the theme of this Boxycharm. Very, very fitting for today. So I'm glad I'm filming it. All right, put on my handy dandy glasses so I can see. There must be something on them. I am really bad about taking my glasses and just doing it with like whatever I have on. And I know you're not supposed to do that, but it is what it is. Okay, I have to have them to see, to read. Okay, so I don't really look, but here is the box. I will give you a sneak peek at what's in it, and I will just take out the first thing that I feel. Okay, I know the lights are so weird. I tried to put on, like on my ring light, I don't know what happened to my clear ones. They got lost in the move somehow. But the orange ones turned me actually orange, so I don't like those ones. So I have to do it without, and then that makes a big old glare in my glasses. All right, so this is Laura Geller High Def Glow. It's an illuminator duo. And it says Heart of Gold. These are the colors. They're very pretty. I think they'll be very pretty, like as an eyeshadow as well, so I'm excited to try that. I've had some Laura Geller stuff that I've liked, and like I have a dual-ended eyeliner that I love, and then I've had like eyeshadows that I've gotten like at TJ Maxx. They were crap, just being honest, but I am excited to try this. Shimmer and Sparkle. Let's see what the card says. It says the Illuminator Duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. The left shade shimmer is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade sparkle is a high intensity sparkle that looks as though it was plucked from the night sky. And ooh, it says it's worth $30, $33. So I'll test it out. See what it looks like. So this is that one. So that one's not showing up on my skin too much. Neither one of them are, like they don't really show up on my hand that much, but they might like more on my face. Yeah, so it's given a little bit of a sparkle. I don't know if you can see it. I think maybe, I don't know, but I like it and it's really soft. I have been using lately the High Beam from Benefit highlighters, so there's that. Then the next thing I'm gonna pull out is by Dr. Brandt. We all have heard of that brand before and it's a really good one. This is Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I love eye creams. It's probably one of my favorite things that I put on. Okay, so a full disclosure here, I just stopped the video because I ran out of space on my camera. I have not picked up my vlogging camera since August. So yeah, I had to go and delete some stuff and now I'm back. All right, so when I left off, I had just finished the Laura Geller and this was the next thing that I pulled out. It is by Dr. Brandt. It's the Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I love a good eye cream. I never really worried too much about eye creams before I moved to Nebraska. And when I moved there, my eyes down here, like in this area, all the way down onto my cheekbone, would be so dry that I had to do something. So here is what the package looks like. I know that it's always hard to see because of the lights. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but that's what it looks like. It's just in a little white tube. Things in white tubes are hard to film. Okay, let's read about this. Sorry if I'm like all over the place. Like I said, it's been a whirlwind and I gotta get back into it now. Let's see. Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes for all skin types. This stuff is worth $82. Now, Pam and I were talking a while ago and she was talking, she said, I want a really good eye cream. She said, I need something for, you know, the darkness and the puffiness and just all the stuff for eyes. And so Pam, if you did not get this, I'll ask you on Marco Polo. If she didn't get this, then I might send that to her if she wants to try it, because I have lots of stuff. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is called Bali Balm. It's sweet orange and coconut lip balm. I love anything for lips. I love lip gloss, I love lipstick, I love lip scrubs, whatever it is, I love it. Let's take a little smell of this. I have Huda Beauty on today. I don't really know the color. I don't wear a whole lot because I don't really know if like a plum color is my, you know, in my color wheel, but I thought I'd give it a whirl. Smells good. It kind of smells like a Christmas tree. Like it has that minty smell. I just asked Mike, I was like, when we're done here, do you want to go do a little workout when I'm done with my video? And he was like, sounds good. I can hear him in there. He's asleep in the living room. Okay, so that's what the packaging looks like. It's green, and I look forward to giving this a try. Let's see. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm a citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. It's worth $33. There's a ton of high price stuff in here. Ton. Okay, so here's a big box. It is from Pharmacy. I always enjoy getting Pharmacy brand stuff. It's amazing. Like, it doesn't get any better than Pharmacy. It is a pore cleaning toner, which I'm sure you have all seen because I'm very late filming this, of course. It's in a nice glass bottle, so it'll look, let me turn the light down and maybe it'll help. There we go. It will look good sitting on the counter or whatever. I better hurry up because my battery's fixing to go dead now. Okay, what's next? Let's see what this is worth. Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. It's worth $28. BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne prone. So there is that. The toner, I have toners. It is the one step that always goes by the wayside for me. I always forget it. I need to do better. Okay, and then I have one last item. It is the palette of the box. It is by Ciate London, and it's called the Velvet Palette. And you know, if you have watched my other videos, you know that I have a horrible time getting in the box. But that's what it looks like, and it has some gold on the back. And these, my friends, are the colors. Those are very pretty. I like the little detail of the lines going through it. It just makes it have a little bit of personality. And without blinding you too much, it does have a good size mirror. It is the full length of this palette. Now I'm curious which one Pam got, because she wouldn't tell me until my box came. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application, and it's worth $30. Of course, on the screen I will put what the total is, but I thought it was a great box. I will give you a little bit of a secret. I'm kind of on a no buy makeup kind of thing as much as I can do, because when you move, you get to learn all the stuff that you don't need or you have too much of. And I purged a bunch. I purged things that I didn't like, wasn't gonna use. I put stuff in a big bag for you guys, all that. And I still have a ton of makeup, so I'm trying not to buy any. I did cancel most of my subscription boxes except for Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe. Okay, I would tell you what my next video is gonna be, but I don't really know. So I'll probably do Stitch Fix. I did get one. It is opened, but I will show you what I got. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day, and I hope your weather is okay. Mine is looking a little rainy out there. All right, I've missed you guys and I hope to see you real soon. Bye.